The 125cc World Championship in 97 there, 99 the 250cc, the iconic 2001 title. All of these motorcycles are present here in the paddock as well. 2002 as he moved over to Repsol Honda. I think after he's been so dominant on Yamaha, sometimes people forget that he won 3 World Championships for Honda. 2004, of course, the big move, the big win at Velcome, South Africa. 2005, his 4th World Championship in the Premier class.
Back to winning ways, though, on the Bridgestone shod Yamaha in 2008.
His last World Championship, 2009. Win number 115, the most recent victory coming in Hasil, 2017.